BW'EKOMITI umuske Julius Migosi OGAMBA anyarekoba KOERERA BOSIO y'Ebunge enene ensemo y'Echisemi anemono hase okoireria amaborio habwetakaine n'Echisemi
okwana BW'EKOMITI eyo NIGO OGAMBA AIKERANA Emeroberio Y'Echisemi ase aenekebuna nige serikali igendete kweroberia bwikirano ase okoenekia obokoreri obia ase wizara eyo Murikito Linet Nyambane na AIKERANA sinsemecho nabigo gutwariganiria ayakobwatya
Umuwasiri w'Echisemi imeyense Julius Migosi OGAMBA nigatebire amatemwa agenderete tabwenereti gwakanirwa gukwana BW'EKOMITI y'Echisemi y'Ebunge OGAMBA oenekirie Emeroberio yo nigetenenire ne serikali aseboigo arureira serikali nige guche gwakana chisira ebwata matuka bwangweiga.
Maybe clarify, does the ministry is that provision there where parents have to pay additional monies for exams in schools? Is it not provided for in the normal school fees for the entire term where food is been catered for and all that? Do they need to pay in additional funds?
There is no circular, there is no instruction from the ministry for anybody to charge for examinations because the government is funding it.
The 5.9 billion that you allocated us this year, we used 1.08 billion to pay the pending bill of the 2024. So actually this year, we have not started with 5.9 billion. We have started with 4.9 billion because 1.08 billion went to settle the outstanding payments to the examiners.
Chingaki echicho NIGO OGAMBA aereire Emeroberio serikali ebegete nsemo erikwenekia nonya embura kegendrete gutwa nemegoko eise kwenekigwa niga matemo ayo araike ase chiskuru chingaki chibwenerete.
And as a ministry we put measures in place because we anticipated this. It is something that happens every year. We anticipated that during this time we might have floods affecting certain areas. And even this morning, we've been receiving reports of areas where vehicles are not able to pass through bridges because they are flooded. But what we've done, we have choppers on standby, and we have a command center at NEC where when these particular officers come across such a challenge, they would call the command center and a chopper would be dispatched to ensure that the examination papers are delivered.
Nonye nabo NIGO OGAMBA enyora sa konguchinga kiare kuiraneria na ase kichiskuru emerongebere na kianda chitaranyora omubago bw'echibese oywe serikali ekubwatuka guchia ase chiskuru chonsi meyense.
On the capitation list, we have paid them. Now, the new schools that have been brought on board...
Not new. They are 4 years old.
Now it means there's a problem somewhere. That's what we are going to receive the 29 schools and look at them one by one and sort them out.
Yes, let's get the list. There is a serious issue, yes. But it's a serious issue that cuts across. Let's get the list and then we look specifically to what are the issues. Because in the registration and to be able to get capitation, there's a minimum number, for example, that is required of the school to have. Maybe the minimum number has not been met, so I can't tell what the actual status of that school is until we get it and we get the specific data for it. Then we can deal with it. And this is why we're saying, Chair, that it is important to interrogate these things so that we can get the right positions.
Why I will not give you time, CS, is a very urgent issue of national importance, exams. And I want us to agree in this room now that you'll give this committee, you'll furnish this committee with the details of the 29 schools, issues surrounding them, and if it is the issue of numbers, if you are saying they are less than 40 or less than what, they are Kenyans, they are supposed to sit for exams. You have, as a CS, you have at a discretion to be able to disburse money to those 40 students or 30 students, they sit for exams, and they go.
Koripoteria Ensoko TV imeomocho Nairobi erietariane Linet Nyambane.